Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound US Dollar for 5th April 2021. So this analysis is for 5th April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for the 6th April. I bring videos on daily basis and in advance so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of GBP USD in front of us right now. And as we all know, market is in more or less downtrend. Okay. Market made a low and market went up. Okay. 50 moving average, we were expecting that market will be getting resistance, but market crossed the level. Okay. And market is right now trading here. So what should be our strategy then? Let me take you to this chart. Okay, this is the overall trend of the market. So what do you see? Okay, uh, market was in uptrend. Okay, market was in uptrend, and from this particular point, market fell. Market fell, and after that, market was in consolidation. Okay, market was in a range, or market was consolidating, and after that, market fell again. But again, you can see that market is kinda in a consolidation. Okay, but if you look at this particular portion, okay, or if you look at this particular portion, we can see that market has made this low, market made a high, but market came down again, but market this time did not break this previous low, but market made a higher low. Okay, market makes a higher low when it tries to go up. Market went up again. Okay, market went up again. Could not break the previous high. Market made a lower high. Again went came down, made a higher low. Went up again. Okay, this time it went to the resistance zone. Okay, we can see that from this particular price level, market came down. So this is a resistance for the market. And market failed to cross this resistance and market came down again. So if we look at if we keep aside this particular portion, high low portion, and if we just focus on the resistance, then this is a place to short the market, is not it? This is a good place to short the market. But just look at the candles. Okay, yes, market faced resistance, market could not go up, sellers did not allow the market to go up, but market did not come down also. Just look at the candle. Okay, just look at this candle. Okay, and look at this candle, long leg doji and a doji or a spinning top. Okay, so these kind of candles are not very convincing, and on the other hand, market is making higher lows. Okay, so probably you are getting confused right now, because I am also confused. See, whenever we get to short term short market in a place like this, it is very easy to short the market. Okay, but market did not react. Okay, market did not react that it should be reacting, because there are still buyers present in the market. Okay, buyers present in the market who are trying to take the price upward. Let me show you. Okay, still you are not convinced? Let me show you in the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart now, and if you now your picture will be clear. As you can see here, market is just at the daily weekly support. Market went down a little, but buyers took the price upward, and market was just trading at the support. That's why market was not giving us any clear direction. Previous week also we can see that market came down, but market again went up, okay, and closed above this level. So market has formed hammer patterns for 2 consecutive weeks, which means that sellers okay, just try to understand the candlestick here. Sellers are pushing the price. Sellers are pushing the price downside, but buyers are taking the price somehow to the upside and managing to close above the support. That's why that's why we are seeing a picture like this. We are not getting a clear picture. In the resistance also, market is facing resistance, but market is not ready to go down. Market is coming down. Okay, market is coming down, but market is making higher lows, going up also, but not able to go up across the previous high, because things are not very clear to us, because there is a struggle or a war going on in the market. Okay, so that's why you should wait. Okay, so what should be a strategy for Monday? Your strategy for Monday is nothing, just avoid GBP USD. Okay, maybe, okay, after the opening, maybe price will come down, or price will come down, and you may regret. Okay, you may regret that you have missed the opportunity, but remember one thing: there will be multiple multiple opportunities in the market that you will not be able to catch. Okay, the main and for first duty of a trader is to stick to the discipline, because you must be disciplined in order to make money in the long run. If you want to stick to forex market and you want to make money from the market for 10 years, 20 years, then you should not be compromising with the discipline. There will be multiple opportunities. It is not possible to catch each and every opportunity. So if market comes down also, okay, then no, nothing to worry. Okay, because you have other currency pairs where you can make money. You, as I always say, you should not risk your capital in a chart that you do not understand. In a chart like this, okay, you should not risk your capital. When market will be trading above these hammers, then we will be bullish. Okay, or if market crosses these levels, then we will be bearish. But as of now, in a chart like this, it's better avoid, because see, though market has hit the resistance, but it is not ready to go down that easily. Means that buyers are still trying their best to take the price upward. So why risk your money? Just try to understand my words here. That's it. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're watching my videos for the first time. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care, and do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Bye bye.